Here I have Microsoft Surface Pro 2017, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device and how to remove the password protection on the following tablet, on the following computer. So as you can see right now, I have to input my password, and let me show you how to bypass this step, how to bypass the password protection. So all you have to do is simply start holding the shift key on your keyboard right here. This is the left shift. Let's start holding the shift, and while holding shift, choose the power options in that corner right here and choose restart. Remember to keep holding the shift, choose restart anyway, and keep holding shift key. Keep holding shift. Excellent. Now we can release shift. The troubleshoot mode just pops up. So let's choose troubleshoot. You can navigate here by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose reset this PC. Let's select remove everything in my case. It's good to know that you have to be plugged to your charger. As you can see, my device is plugged. As you can see, the language might be different in your case because the language is as it was in the default settings. So my English language just turns into the Polish. But here you have to choose if you would like to also clean the drive or just remove the files. So removing just files is enough. Let's choose the first option. And right now the device is preparing the operation. So here we've got the information about the process. If you are sure that you want to erase all personal data, customize settings, downloaded apps, the added accounts, and also the password, let's choose reset. And that's it. The device is performing the hard reset operation. The whole process should take a few minutes, maybe even a few hours. Let's just be patient. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Remember to keep your device connected to your PC, to your charger, and also the Windows software will reinstall. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.